To prepare the Unity assets, I typically use GIMP, although you can use MS Paint or Photoshop. I'm going to create some textures to use as alpha brushes in GIMP. So first we need to create a transparent background. We create a transparent layer. We want to pick, this will be our solid alpha brush. And you want to use white as your foreground color so that we can use Unity's tinting to change white to a different color. So we'll just save this. This will be our brush number 1. Use the PNG format so that I can save the alpha channel. Alright, this is our first alpha brush. The defaults are great. Alright, now clear the layer. We need a new transparent layer. 128 by 128 is good size. Alright, this will be our soft brush, but we need to make sure it fits. Okay. Use a nice even number. Okay, save this as this will be our second brush. I'm just going to add a couple more brushes for some painting variety. Again, clear the layer, make a new layer, transparent. Use a scatter brush, but need to scale down the size. Make sure it fits. Basically center the brush, the alpha part of the brush. Okay, save this as brush number 3. Defaults are fine. Another 4-channel PNG. And one more for variety. That looks good. Clear the layer, new transparent layer. Scale it down. Looks good. Save that as a 4-channel PNG, brush number 4. Okay, so we're going to need two more textures. One is just a test texture so that when we're setting up our camera, we know how big the canvas will be. And the other one we'll use as the default texture when we're painting. I'm going to set up the player size to be 1024 by 768. So I want to have a texture that matches the same size. I'm just going to set it as a solid color, but a red background would be better. Alright, can't help myself there. I need to make the background red. There we go. Alright, just need to know what direction is up so that we orient the camera the right way. We'll use the pepper brush. Excellent. Okay, so this will be our test canvas texture. It's just a temporary texture to get our scene orientation the way we want it. Saved it as a 4-channel PNG, but a JPEG would have been just fine. Alright, and our regular canvas layer, it can just be transparent. This would be the texture we paint on. We could have created this dynamically, but I want to use the inspector to set the format properly so that these will be readable and writable. Okay, in the next section, we're going to set up the project and the scene and import these textures.